Good. Come back. There you go.
Yeah, later right here.
Hey, Luke.
Plastic thing.
That's it. There.
Progress here, no driver's seat yet, but still looking for, I took the radio back out, looking for the right module here. This one had a blue plug and most of them have a black plug, so something weird about that. Still working on the back hatch, but we got the seats, back seats all in, and got tail light fixed where the wiring was clipped, and starting to get some of the paneling in. Still got some wiring on the tailgate, but little by little, about to put the hood on it.